Welcome back everybody to Southside Boy Style. Here today working on the 2003 Dodge Ram 1500. I'm going to be grinding down the rear chassis with a wire brush on the grinder. And I've been doing some welding just on the exhaust. It's a crap exhaust, but I just want it a little bit quiet as I'm moving it around. So I've been welding at the exhaust, and just to get it a little bit quieter, I'm going to grind the chassis down, and I'm going to put this is what I'm going to put on it. This is what I'm going to put on the chassis after I'm done with the grinding. And stay tuned, and I'll keep you updated, and I'm going to carry you through the whole procedure. Okay, let's take her out. She has ABS light on, brake light on, engine light on. I'll put the computer on later, see what all those issues are. Okay, so that's that. That'll save on her some. Just sanded it down a bit, just put some on her, just to save her that little portion. I actually ran out of all of the material, so I got to get some more. But other than that, I mean, it's basically done what I'm going to do with it in regards to just that. I know, like I said, I have to fix this area back up here. This one, this is why they sold the truck. This is why they condemned it. It wasn't because the box was rusted out. This is why they condemned the truck, was this right here, only that. Now, I'm not an expert mechanic. I'm just a backyard guy doing it myself. Don't do anything I do. I'm not a professional, but I'm just doing this on my own. But I can't see why that can't be fixed. Fairly simple. Nothing is moved, nothing is bent. You can tell by the crack marks. So that's the only place on the whole chassis of the truck that's bad, which, you know, sucks, but I wouldn't have got it if it wasn't for that. And for me, it's just a little project to do. So that is this for the chassis. And yeah, I mean, as I was telling you guys, like, it's a little bit rough, but this side is not so bad. You know, I'm going to paint the whole truck. I took those ugly seat covers out. I still have to vacuum it out and clean it out. I fixed the cup holders. Still has to be vacuumed. I didn't. I took all the junk that was out of here. Still has to be cleaned. But that's the chassis for now. Stay tuned for more from Southside Boy Style. Remember, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.